Beetroot powder.
My organic beetroot powder arrived today. It's made by the brand Unleashed. I'm very happy to get this. It is all organic, no additives and no GMOs in there, and no sugar added. So that's very big to me. It's plus to have all those positives. So I have a couple ideas of what I am going to be using this for, because beets are very, very, very important for your immune system, and I wanted to incorporate them more in my diet. So in the next couple of days, I am going to be making some shakes with this organic beetroot powder, and I'll show you them on video. I'm also planning on making some red velvet cupcakes with this organic beetroot powder. But right now, today, I'm going to make some simple, healthy shortbread cookies. And it's just so few ingredients. It is going to be this beetroot powder, flour, sugar, and butter, vanilla extract, and salt. And I'm going to mix them all together. And then I'm going to refrigerate the mix for a half hour. And then I'm going to cook them. And I'll take some pictures of the final thing of the cookies. So you'll see. I'll tell you how they taste. And I'm really excited to start using this beetroot powder, because I know I'm always thinking of things I have to add on for my wellness. And I know that this is so good for you.